Friends, in case you are thinking of buying a new wireless earphones under Rs 2000 and are considering OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition, then here I will show you 4 things that I loved in these earphones. Also, we will see 2 things I wish were there in OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition. As a bonus, I will share 2 pro tips for users who want to buy these earphones. Let's start. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition has a fantastic build quality. The neckband is made of silicone rubber material and it is smooth to touch and feel. High quality plastic is used in the neckband modules with OnePlus branding. The wire used here is textured, which will protect against rough use. The earbuds are magnetic and the magnet provided is strong. The earbuds have a tilted 45 degrees angle which provides a very comfortable and snug fit. You can see the left and right L and R symbols written in very small letters. There will be no pain in ears even after long use. Here, let me show you the head banging test. See friends, the buds don't fall from my ears. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition have IP55 rating, so they are water and sweat resistant. These earphones are lightweight and weigh just 26 grams. The neckband design is very flexible and will fit anywhere easily. The rubberized buttons are comfortable to use and give good tactile feedback. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition have an amazing battery life. I'm able to use it comfortably for 14 hours at 70% volume without the need to charge. These earphones come with USB Type-C port for fast charging. With a 30 watts adapter, when charged for 10 minutes, you will get 10 hours of listening pleasure. You also get a white and red USB Type-C charging cable in the box. When the battery is charging, it shows red color in the LED indicator. When the battery is fully charged, it will show white color. You can see the battery life on the Bluetooth settings of your mobile. When the battery is below 20%, you get beep sound with red color blinking on the LED indicator. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition support Bluetooth 5, which ensures that you get a faster connection and stable wireless range of up to 30 feet. Pairing and disconnection is very fast and seamless, all thanks to the magnetic fast pair technology. You can separate the earbuds quickly when you want to take a call and then snap them together to power off. This feature of magnetic on-off actually saves a lot of battery life and ensures that these earphones will last for a long time on a single charge. These earphones support triple pairing, which means you can connect up to 3 devices at one time. You can use the middle multifunction button to play or pause media, to receive or end calls. I faced no latency or lag while watching movies or listening to music. The latency is 100 milliseconds while gaming with Fanatic mode turned on in the OnePlus 6T phones or above. These earphones are best for gaming on OnePlus phones and just about okay for other phones. You can take calls with no issues. The other person is able to hear clearly with no noise or distortion. Mic placement is excellent. These earphones have environmental noise cancellation. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition have 9.2 dynamic drivers which have been re-engineered for boosted bass. SBC and AAC audio codecs are supported. These earphones have awesome sound quality and will sound best when you push the earbuds properly inside. The noise isolation works very well with very less noise that comes from the background. The vocals are crystal clear. Trebles are also good. The sound is well balanced with boosted bass. There is no sound distortion even at full volume. And I must say that the volume is very loud. The media will auto pause when you join the magnetic buds together. You can double press the multifunction button for next song and triple press the same button for previous song. You do get dedicated plus and minus volume keys as well. There is no dedicated auto switch button as there was in the first generation. You can connect up to 3 devices at one time, but you need to manually switch to change the devices. You need to double tap the multifunction button and then connect in the mobile for quick switch function to work. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition comes in a beautiful dual color combination of black and red called Reverb Red. However, there are no other dual color combinations. It is available in black and blue colors, but I would have loved if there were more dual color combinations like red and white, like the USB Type-C cable that comes in the box. In case you are not getting the bass in sound like you want, then OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition comes with extra ear tips in the box. These earphones come with medium ear tips applied. You can try the bigger or smaller ear tips for better sound result. Also ensure that you push the earbuds properly inside to get the best sound. In case you face any sound distortion or disconnection or any other issue, then simply do a factory reset by pressing the plus and minus volume buttons together for few seconds. The earbuds should not be joined when you are doing a factory reset. All said and done, OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition is one of the best neckband design Bluetooth earphones that you can buy under Rs 2000. I use them on a daily basis and absolutely love them. If you are interested in buying these earphones, then I will leave a buy link for you in the video description and pinned comment. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by OnePlus or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such useful videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.